Hello, birch tree artists. Today what I'm going to do is show you how to make branches for your birch trees. So after we glued all of our trees down onto our paper, we have some extra trees left over. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use those extra trees to make branches on our birch trees so that they look really real and authentic. And then if you want, you can also make some logs on the ground. So here is how you make your branches. You take your extra trees and you're gonna look at the parts of one of these trees and ask yourself, what part do I really like and what part would I really like to have on my work? You're going to use your scissors. I'm gonna use my bigger scissors right here. And you start by rounding off the bottom of the branch first. Okay, I know it still looks like a tree, but soon it will be a branch. Then from that rounded off spot, we're gonna make our branch progressively thinner. So I'm gonna cut kind of like a wavy line, not super wavy and perfect, just till I get more of a triangular shaped branch. So see, here's what I've got right here. This can be glued on just about any way. We can go more angled up, we can go across, we can come down. It's all completely up to you how you want to do it. And you only need a little bit of glue to put on there to just start building off of there. If I have that little one right there and I want to put another, I can just use what I already have right here, go to the bottom of this one now, think of this like a branch, and then instead of just going to the top, because that straight line might be a little bit too unnatural, I can use my scissors and make kind of a wavy line for that. There we go. And then this could either build off of what I just had right here, can go off the paper, or you can put it over here in a different part of the tree, like that. If you want to make it look like it's behind the tree, then do yourself a favor and cut a very straight line, just like this. So it's really straight, and then put it flush next to the tree and it'll look like it's coming out from the other side of the tree. And there you go. So you've got a whole bunch of scraps and you've got all of these that you can cut into different lengths and make different branches, and you just go for it. If you're interested in making a log, again, find a part that you think is a really nice part of the tree, and there you go. You just cut, round off the edges. There we go. So rounded that side. I'm gonna round this side, and then I just glue it down somewhere right there in my picture. All right, anywhere I like. Have fun with this and enjoy your picture when you're done. Once you have all those branches filled in, it's gonna look so much more realistic. Have a great time.